you cooking a small dinner this year, or if you're cooking a larger dinner and you have a bigger turkey, does the white meat disappear first and you need more turkey breast? Then one way to solve this problem is to cook this really amazingly easy, delicious, simple roasted turkey breast using the air fryer. So you don't need to use any more oven space. This is no extra stress and it's super easy. We have very few ingredients. I have a 1.5 pound turkey breast. It's skinless. I have a teaspoon of kosher salt and about a quarter of a teaspoon of black pepper. And I have about a tablespoon of butter that's softened so we can spread this on. The first thing I'm going to do is pat this dry. That way our seasonings stick. Let me know in the comments what your favorite Thanksgiving dish is. Put some butter on this. This will help keep it flavorful and moist while it's cooking. And then I'm just gonna take the salt and pepper, rub this in. Okay. All right, that's it. That is so simple. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to wash my hands and then we're going to turn on the air fryer and get it cooking and it'll be done in no time. My air fryer is a 4-quart and I'm just going to preheat this on 350 just for a couple minutes. Next, I have a parchment that I'm going to put down in here and I'm going to just grab this guy. All right, so we'll put it in. I'm going to cook this for 15 minutes and then I'm going to flip it for the next 15. It has been 15 minutes and so far so good. It smells really good. Just gonna get in here and flip this. It's done. It's well over 165. We went, it's reading 183. So I'm gonna take it out and it's all golden brown. I'm going to put it on a plate and let it rest for a couple minutes before slicing into it. That way it stays juicy. Okay, so we're finishing up the roasted turkey breast in the air fryer, which is incredibly easy. Super easy. It looks great. I put a tint of foil over it to keep it warm while it rests for about 5 minutes. Let's cut a little piece and see what we've got. See how it tastes. Oh, this looks incredible. It does look very good. It's really juicy. It's perfectly cooked. The air fryer did everything. All you have to do is just give it a little seasoning. Let's give it a taste. Oh, wow. You are having a small dinner, or if you're having a larger dinner and need more of white meat, this is a perfect way to do this because it's phenomenal. It's seasoned perfectly. It's a stunning centerpiece if this is your main, or it's a stunning addition to your main turkey if you need extra for your dinner. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.